In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a trademark symbol in Adobe Photoshop quickly and correctly. Whether you're adding branding to a logo, designing product packaging, or finalizing marketing graphics, knowing how to insert the trademark symbol the right way is essential. The good news is that Photoshop makes this incredibly easy using a simple keyboard shortcut. I'll walk you through the fastest methods step by step, and I'll also cover a couple of quick tips in case it doesn't work the first time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Photoshop and load the document where you want to insert the trademark symbol. This can be a new blank canvas, a logo design, a social media post, or any project you're currently working on. Now go to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select the Type tool. You can either click on the T icon in the toolbar or simply press the letter T on your keyboard, which is the shortcut for the Type tool. Once the Type tool is active, click anywhere on your canvas where you want the text to appear and start typing your brand name or text. Now here comes the fastest way to insert the trademark symbol. If you're using Windows, make sure your num lock is turned on. This is very important because the shortcut requires the numeric keypad, not the numbers at the top of your keyboard. With your text cursor active, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, then type 0153 on the numeric keypad. As soon as you release the Alt key, the trademark symbol, the small tm, will instantly appear in your text. If you're using a Mac, the process is even simpler. With your text cursor active, just press Option and the number 2 at the same time. Immediately, the trademark symbol will appear exactly where your cursor is placed. That's it. That's the fastest and easiest way to insert the trademark symbol in Photoshop. Now, if the shortcut doesn't seem to work, here are a couple of quick things to check. On Windows, double-check that you are using the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard. The shortcut will not work using the number keys above the letters. Also, confirm that numlock is enabled. On Mac, make sure you're pressing Option, not Command or Control. Another important thing to keep in mind is font compatibility. Most modern fonts fully support the trademark symbol, but if you see a missing character box or a strange symbol, try switching to a standard font like Arial, Helvetica, or Times New Roman to test it. You can also resize and reposition the trademark symbol just like regular text. Many designers prefer to slightly reduce the font size of the TM and raise it slightly using the baseline shift option in the character panel to give it that professional superscript look. To do that, open the character panel from the window menu, adjust the font size slightly smaller, and increase the baseline shift value until it sits neatly above the main text. As you can see, inserting a trademark symbol in Adobe Photoshop is incredibly simple once you know the correct shortcut. This small detail can make a big difference in making your designs look polished and professional. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials. I post simple step-by-step guides to help you work faster and smarter in your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.